Welcome to this brief Fuller Writing Center tutorial, where we will look at using Christianese in academic writing. The academic environment of seminary may require you to relearn how to discuss and write about the nuances of Christianity. Much of the common vocabulary used in many evangelical and mainline churches is familiar to many seminarians and may appear rich in meaning. However, this meaning can often be theologically vague or overly contextual. As you move further along in your seminary career, seek to become precise and consistent in the language that you use to describe Christian doctrine and practices, remembering that the way that you might describe baptism or table fellowship in a Sunday sermon may not be appropriate for a term research paper and vice versa. It is important to be mindful of Christian slang, idioms, and informal phrases so you can avoid using them in your academic writing. And other resources, please visit the Resources page in the Writing Center's website. Thank you.